Hi, boys and girls. Some of you might not know me. My name is Mrs. Meyer, and I teach kindergarten at Grandview. Today, I am so excited because we are going to talk about revving up to read. Now, have you ever heard of the term revving up your engine? What do you think that means? When race cars rev up their engine, they're getting them ready to go really fast so they can win the race. Well, now that we know what it means to rev up your engine, what does it mean to rev up to read? Just like race car drivers rev up their engines to get ready for the big race, readers get ready to read by revving up as well. So what does that mean? Well, there's three things that I want you to do. The first thing is to take a good look at the cover. Look at the picture and the title. Next, I want you to use your schema, or what you already know about those words and pictures, to make a good prediction about what you think will be in the book or what you think the book will be about. So today, I get to read a really fun book with you. It's called The Very Impatient Caterpillar. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean by revving up to read. So looking at the picture on the cover, I see a caterpillar inside a chrysalis. And the caterpillar has a speech bubble that says, "Is it time yet?" I also see the title, The Very Impatient Caterpillar. So I want to think about what those words mean. I know what caterpillar means, but I need to think about the word impatient. Now, impatient is a word that you might already know. Your mom and dad might say, "Quit being so impatient." Well, impatient is when you do not want to wait for someone or something. So I'm thinking about my schema, about caterpillars and butterflies, and what happens with them, as well as the word impatient, because that's in the title. So now let's make a prediction using your schema, or what you know about the cover and what you know about butterflies and caterpillars. What do you predict will happen in the story? So now you can use the paper that you see on the screen. You can print it out from, or you might just want to use a blank piece of paper, and that's okay too. I want you to draw a picture of what you think will happen in the book based on what we know. Before you start drawing, push pause. And when you're ready to listen to the story and find out if your prediction was correct, push play. The Very Impatient Caterpillar by Ross Barak. Is it time yet? Hey, what are you guys doing? We are going to metamorphosize. Meta what now? Transform into butterflies? Right. I knew that. Wait, are you telling me I can become a butterfly? Yes. With wings? Yes. For real? Yes. Wait for me. Now what? Build your chrysalis. Chrysalis. Right. I knew that. What? How did you do that? Is it a spin or more of a twirl? Am I a butterfly yet? Ugh. Now what? Just be patient and let nature take its course. Patience. Right. I got this. Am I a butterfly yet? No. How about now? No. Now? No. Be patient. I have a question. Not yet. You don't even know what I was going to ask. Fine, ask. How's your day going? Also, am I a butterfly yet? No, just be patient. Shh! We're trying to metamorphosize. Okay. Obviously, I know this, but do you know how long this takes? 2 weeks. Right. 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Oh, what am I going to do in here for 2 weeks? Can I get a comic book or something? What if I want a snack? Hello, 2 pizzas, please. My address? A chrysalis. Click. Hello? How long have I been in here? What if I need the bathroom? Anyone want to play a game? It's still day 1? This is taking forever. That's it. I feel metamorphosized enough. Look out, world! Feast your eyes on this beautiful butterfly! How do I look? Transformed? Time to spread my wings and fly! What do you think, boys and girls? Does he look transformed yet? Flap, 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 flap. Wait! Where are my wings? Splat. Time for a new approach. Oh, look, he's back in his chrysalis. Okay, you can do this. You can be patient. Who am I kidding? I can't be patient. You are the little caterpillar that could. I am the little caterpillar that couldn't. You get a grip. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. Have you ever tried to talk yourself into doing something like this? Kind of pepping yourself up? Oh, look at the squirrel. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. Can't. Okay, boys and girls, based on what you already know in this book, what do you predict? Do you think the caterpillar is going to be patient enough to turn into a butterfly? I don't know. What do you think? Day 1, I can be patient. Day 2, patience is all in the mind. Day 3, be one with the chrysalis. Day 4, deep breath in. Day 5, and out. Day 6, look, day 6. Day 7, I'm doing it. Day 8, just be patient. Day 9, just be patient. Day 10, day 11, 2 weeks later. Did he do it? What did you predict? I did it! I'm a butterfly! Look at him. You know, I do feel transformed. Starting now, I'm going to be way more patient. That's great. Hey, where are you going? We're migrating. Migrating. Right. Wait for me. Are we there yet? Ugh. Did the caterpillar really become more patient? Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to think about our prediction from before we read the story. Now, did you predict that the caterpillar would be impatient about becoming a butterfly? How did your prediction compare to what actually happened in the book? Well, boys and girls, just like we did today, I want you to rev up your mind to read, just like race car drivers rev up their engines to get ready for a race. So before you read a new book, look at the cover and the title, think about what you already know, and predict what might happen or what you might see in that book. Okay, friends, have fun reading. See you later.